Want to enable voice navigation on your Google Maps on your Android phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, let's open up our Google Maps, of course. Here they are, let's choose it. After that, you are to tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Now we are to choose settings from this list. Great. Now we gotta locate our navigation settings. Here they are, navigation. Let's choose it. So in order to activate it, now simply press unmuted. And I recommend you to set your guiding voice on louder because it's just more comfortable. Now to choose your desired voice, simply tap on voice selection, and here you can locate different voices. As you see, there are many languages which your voice can speak in, and it's kinda usable. Also, I recommend you to activate play over Bluetooth. However, usually it's enabled by the default, and play your voice during phone calls because sometimes you need to accept your call or you're driving and you don't want to lose that navigation. If you can't hear the voice while you're driving, keep in mind that maybe your phone is connected to your Bluetooth headset. So swipe down from the top right corner and simply turn off your Bluetooth and check it out. If the problem still persists, hold your power button plus volume up or volume down button depending on your phone and simply press restart. This fixes many stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.